So you want to just call this a day? Or?
I don't want to call it a day. You had a hand up.
Every traffic stop lives or dies on what the officer can articulate he saw, and this Florida deputy saw something that physically couldn't have happened. And what he does once the driver proves it is where it starts to get interesting. Let's head down to South Florida from February of 2026.
Maybe it's different because I'm a girl.
Hello, ma'am. Hey, good morning. I'm Deputy Gasala with the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. Recently being pulled over in the city of Lake Worth today. We're doing an operation for distracted driving. You drove past me holding the phone with your right hand, manipulating that phone. I mean, I saw you with the phone in your hand.
Not. So you want to just call this a day? Or?
I don't want to call it a day. You had a hand up manipulating
You just
the
said
phone.
my right hand.
Well, I thought I saw you with your right hand. You
so
had a
you
hand
didn't.
up. The right hand. I saw you
So
manipulate.
you didn't.
With the right hand, perhaps not, right?
You didn't see me with my right hand.
Okay, so are you saying
that you saw me with my right hand?
I know what I just said. I know what I just said. I'm asking you now. Did you or not have your phone on your hand?
I did not.
You did not have your phone in your hand?
I did not.
Hand to God, you didn't have your phone in your hand.
Hand to God.
The other hand to God, you don't have your phone in your hand.
Oh no, no, oh
You have your
no.
driver's license, registration, and
Yes, I
insurance
do.
with you.
No, he didn't. He asked her to put her hand to God, and she raised her right hand. She is missing. And he was like, that's not good enough. Put your other hand to God. And she did it. She complied like a good sport. She seemed like a very nice woman. There's more to this story, though. Let's see what her side of the body cam looked like.
Turns out you can still get a ticket for driving with a device in your right hand, even if you don't have a right hand.
All right, man. So you're gonna receive a citation for wireless communication device handheld while driving. We got to put the phone down as we operate a motor vehicle.
Oh, and you put on there that you saw me with my right hand holding it, yeah?
I did not put that. No, if you want to take it to
But
court,
that's what you said when you pulled me over, yes?
That's what I
That
said,
you
yes.
saw me holding my device with my right
I'm not
hand.
disagreeing with you. Yes, that's what I said.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. So if you want to take it to court,
And that's what you saw.
that's what I said.
That's what you said you saw.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. If you
Okay.
want to take it to court, option 5 on the back of the ticket. That's how you take that ticket to court. Do you
Okay.
have any questions for me?
No, thank you.
Have a good day.
And she attempts it, and it does not work. At least she's making the best of this. Under current Florida law, it's not illegal to simply hold a phone while you're driving. That is, unless you're in a school zone or an active work zone. So the law specifically targets manually typing or entering like letters, numbers, symbols, and that kind of stuff into a device. And apparently this citation didn't indicate that the driver was either in a school zone or a construction zone. Now, happy ending here. A court record shows that the citation was dismissed after the Palm Beach County Deputy Sheriff's Office deputy who issued it asked for it to be dismissed. A hearing had been scheduled for earlier this week, but it was canceled once the case was closed. Sometimes when you get things wrong on the street, you just got to admit, I got this one wrong. I'd appreciate it if you subscribed here, but if you want an even deeper dive into true crime cases from the first call to the verdict, check out my other channel. It's called the Comm Center. Every good true crime story starts with a 911 call, and my partner John is an active 911 dispatcher. We'll take you on a journey of today's most popular cases with our insider perspective. Back to body cams though, if you want to see an entitled woman who's all dressed up with only one place to go after running into a patrol car, watch this one here.